It's not too good to be true. It's not too good to be true. Your ancestors are deeply supporting you. If this message has come across you right now, there might be something inside of this video for you. Hi, welcome in. I'm just hearing right now it's not too good to be true, and your ancestors are deeply supporting you. To know if this message is for you, you might have been seeing mockingbirds recently, as well as yellow butterflies. I'm at a park right now, so I paused. There's a lot going on around me, so it's very interesting. You know, it was quiet when I started to record, and all of a sudden there's just a lot that's happening as I'm recording. So there might have been a lot going on around you recently, like rearranging of different areas of your life, is what I'm hearing. Tower moments in tarot. That's when you pull a tarot card, and it's the Tower card, and that card has to do with, you know, the crumbling of different areas of your life, whether it's, you know, releasing a relationship, releasing a job, you know, releasing different beliefs, patterns, the way you've been doing stuff, moving. You know, it could be devastating, and it also can be really shocking and exciting, great ending. You know, the Tower moment, the Tower card is not a bad thing at all. So I feel like you've had a lot going on around you. Maybe you've been going through your own Tower moments recently. And what I'm hearing right now is it's not too good to be true. And it all works out in your favor. There's a family of ducks. There's a tiny little family of ducks that I just found, like, that's now sitting over on the lake. So ducks are significant to this reading, and it's a family. Like I said, the ancestors. So you could be doing very deep ancestral healing right now. That what you're working towards, what you're creating, what you're doing is deeply connected to the ancestral healing work that you're here to do. Ooh, yeah, I felt that. Deeply connected to the ancestral healing work. So your ancestors in spirit are very, very heavily supporting you at this time. And it's not too good to be true. I feel like you have this dream, this vision, this desire of what you want to experience, and what you're visioning for this next chapter, for this next phase of your life. And you know, I just smiled at this stranger who looked at me, and he smiled at me. And that just makes me feel like that confirmation of, like, we got you. You're supported. This vision that you have, you're heavily supported by forces seen and unseen, by forces you don't know. And like I said, this message is for you if you've been seeing, you know, yellow butterflies, mockingbirds, ducks. You know, this is a very specific message. I don't just put out messages for clickbait. And I always make sure, like, I also emphasize to use your discernment. Not every message is for you on the internet. A lot of you get caught up in these channeled messages that people put out there, and you start getting, like, and you know, my intention is that if you found this, you're not one of those people. But people can get caught up in that and, like, rely on these messages, and they're just meant for confirmation and for support. So get excited is what I'm hearing. Yellow butterflies, yellow shirt this little boy is wearing next to me. It's standing out to me, that confidence, that power. You're powerful and capable of doing anything and achieving that vision, achieving that goal, what you have set in mind. It's heavily supported, and what you're doing is heavily clearing your ancestral line. So keep going is what I'm hearing from Spirit. You got this. You're very supported. The shadow work isn't easy. This type of work, what you're doing, isn't easy. Again, they're highlighting the focusing on your nervous system and just discerning between messages that come through that are based in fear and old beliefs, and messages that come through that are based in truth and in your intuition coming from your soul. Yeah, there's an orange butterfly, a black butterfly, and a yellow butterfly that just appeared as I'm saying that. So being aware of regulating your nervous system, discerning between messages that come through that are based in anxiety from your old beliefs, versus ones that are coming in from your intuition and from your soul and what you're being guided to do next on your path. If you need some support in regulating your nervous system, check out my free masterclass, the Aligned and Regulated Masterclass. If you would like some tools with navigating between, anxiety versus intuition, I have the Be Your Own Psychic Masterclass. Go check out the Be Your Own Psychic Masterclass. And if you feel called to support yourself with some energy work and learning how to step up and become your own healer, go check out my Reiki courses or the Remember program. I have all of those tools to support you and empower you on your path and on your journey in life. All right, if you made it to the end of this message, drop a duck in the comments. You don't have to drop a duck to claim the message that this was for you, but if you feel called to, and I like to see who drops the ducks, who drops the little emoji at the end. So put a duck emoji if you made it to the end. And I hope that this message served you well and gave you that confirmation. It's not too good to be true, and your ancestors are heavily supporting you. You got this.